So, hello everyone. We are now in our Module 2 ng ating lessons. So, Module 2 focuses on the arithmetic sequence. So, in your previous lesson, we talked about the sequence in general, kung ano ba yung meaning ng sequence. Now, we will go to one type of a sequence, that is an arithmetic sequence. So, according to the definition, arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first term is obtained by adding a constant called the common difference. So, in other words, itong arithmetic sequence na sinasabi, it has a common difference. So, question, paano ba kinukuha ang common difference? So, take for instance, meron tayong example dito. Take for instance, we have this one. 1, 4, 7, 10 is a sequence. So, paano natin malalaman kung arithmetic sequence siya? Sinabi kanina sa definition that it has a common difference. Now, to get the common difference, all you have to do is just identify two consecutive terms. Halimbawa ito, sa 1, 4, 7, and 10. So, magpili lang tayo dito ng dalawang magkasunod na terms. Take for instance, ang pinili natin itong 4 and 7. Take for instance, 4 and 7. To get the common difference, all you have to do is just write first 7, and that is being subtracted by 4. So, 7 minus 4 is 3. So, our common difference is 3. So, madali lang kunin ang common difference. Pili lang kayo ng dalawang terms na magkasunod. Tapos, tandaan nyo to ha, this is common mistake. Yung mga dumaan sa mga estudyante sa grade 10 math, ito yung mga common na mistake na nangyayari sa kanila. Ang ginagawa nila, ganito. Pili sila ng dalawang magkasunod na term, nagkakamali sila sa pag-identify ng common difference. Kasi ang ginagawa nila, halimbawa nakapili na sila ng dalawang numbers, ang ginagawa nila, inuuna nilang sinusulat yung first dun sa dalawa. Halimbawa, ang pinili natin yung 4 and 7, ang ginagawa ng iba, 4 minus 7. And 4 minus 7 is difference, magkaiba sa 7 minus 4 because 4 minus 7 is negative 3. So, dyan pa lang mali na tayo. So, always remember, dapat inuuna natin yung second number doon sa dalawang magkasunod na numbers. Okay? So, to get the common difference. Another one, we have this one. What is the common difference of 15, 11, 7, and 3? So, tulad ng sinabi kanina, you have to identify two consecutive numbers. Halimbawa, itong 15 and 11. First, you write the second number. So, that is 11 minus 15. And 11 minus 15 is equal to negative 4. So, any two consecutive numbers na nandyan, it will give you a difference of 4, negative 4. Halimbawa ito, 11 and 7. So, that is 7 minus 11. 7 minus 11 is negative 4. So, from the word common, it is common to all two consecutive terms. Yung common difference. Kung ang common difference ng first two term is negative 4, that is all applicable to all numbers sa difference ng two consecutive numbers. So, yun yung definition natin na arithmetic sequence. Now, let's proceed. The same also with some topic in mathematics. Ang arithmetic sequence, meron din siyang formula. This formula ay ginagamit para malasan yung ating trabaho to find the next term Kasi ang mangyayari kasi dyan, kung alam natin yung common difference, ang gagawin natin dyan para makuha yung hinahanap na term, ang gagawin natin is we're going to add successively. And that is very time consuming. Maubos yung time natin. So, meron tayong formula na gagamitin. Sa arithmetic sequence. Okay, this is the formula used in arithmetic sequence. The formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, wherein a sub n, actually remember nyo yung definition natin, yung mga equivalent natin. A sub n refers to n term. A sub 1 is equal to the first term. A sub 1 refers to the first term. Ano pa ba? N. N refers to the number of terms. Kung ilan lahat yung terms in a sequence, yun yung N. Number of terms. Okay? Terms. And D. So what do you think is D? D is the common difference. Common difference. That's common difference. Nakita na siya. So, common difference. So, that's the formula. So, you have to familiarize with the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So, example here. Let's have an example here. What is the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence 5, 12, 19, 26? And so on. So, hinahanap dito yung pang-sampung term. Para makuha natin yun, if we don't know the formula, ang gagawin natin syempre, alamin muna natin yung common difference. Tama? So, to identify the common difference, sinabi ko kanina, is you choose two consecutive terms. Para mas madali, I suggest na ang kukunin na lang ninyo, in this case, yung first two terms. Para mas maliit yung number. So, that is 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. So, 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So, our common difference here is 7. Since alam na natin yung common difference, traditionally, ang ginagawa is we're going to add successively doon sa mga terms. So, mangyayari dyan, our first term is 5, second term is 12, tapos 19, 26, next to 26, you add 7, so that is 33, 33 plus 7 is 40, plus 7, that is 47, plus 7 again, that is 54. Pangilan na ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, kailangan pa ng dalawa. So, 54 plus 7 is 61, and 61 plus 7 is 68. So, traditionally, if we add successively, the 10th term is 68. So, as you can see, it's time-consuming. Tama? Kasi, paano na lang kung ang hinahanap natin is find the 50th term. So, imagine you're going to add 7 successively. So, medyo matagal. Pero, with the use of the formula, this one, with the use of the formula, we can now identify the 10th term. So, since we're looking for the 10th term, yung a sub n dito, magiging a sub 10. Kasi pang 10th term man ang hinanap natin. So, is equal to, what is our first term? First term is 5. First term is 5. Erase muna natin. Dito na lang tayo. So, since yung hinahanap natin is the 10th term, so a sub 10. So, a sub 10 is equal to 5. 5 is the first term, tama? Tapos, ano yung n natin? Ilan lahat yung term sa sequence? Since 10 man yung hinahanap natin, at ang 10 na term ang hinahanap natin, so there are 10 terms. So, 10 minus 1 times 7. So, you follow the PEMDAS, the parentheses, equation, exponent, multiplication, division. So, you follow that one in simplifying this one. So, mangyari dyan, mauna talaga. Anong mauna dito? Yung sa loob ng parentheses. So, that is 5 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 7. So, ano mauna? Addition or multiplication? So, you multiply first. So, 9 times 7. Continue natin dito. That is a sub 10 is equal to 5. Is equal to 5 plus 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63, tama? And the last one is, you add. So, a sub 10 is equal to 68. So, if we're going to compare by adding successively and using the formula, we will go to using the formula. But, what if nakalimutan natin yung formula? We will go back to traditional way of identifying yung pag-add successively. So, depende sa inyo kung kung saan kayo comfortable. You can add successively. You can use the formula. But if the question asks you to use the formula, you are going to use the formula. Okay, let's have an activity here. What is missing? So, find the missing terms in each arithmetic sequence. First, to identify the next term, anong gagawin natin? Identify 2 consecutive terms, then subtract the first number from the second number. So, in this case, dito sa number 1, so, magkasunod yung 3 and 12. So, 12 minus 3 is 9. So, we're going to add, the common difference here is 9. So, we will, gagawin natin, common difference natin dito is 9. Lagyan natin. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we are going to add successively. Kasi maraming blanco dito. So, we will add successively na lang. So, 21 plus 9 is 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. Then, 39 plus 9 is 48. So, this is the answers for number 1, the terms. For number 2 naman, so 2 consecutive number, 3 and 8. So, 3 minus 8 is negative 5. So, ang gawin natin, i-add lang natin dito. So, negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. Negative 7 minus 5 is negative 12. The common difference dito, sa ganyan, negative 5. Sa number 3 naman, the common difference is 12 minus 5. That's, 7. So, 7. So, 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 7 is 26. 26 plus 7 is 33. Okay, next one. Since wala tayong makuha dito na common difference kasi walang number ito, we will move to numbers na magkasunod. So, we will use 20 and 29 instead of gamitin natin si 2 kasi wala man siyang kasama. So, ito na lang. Gamitin natin itong dalawa, itong 20 and 29. So, 29 minus 20 is 9. So, the common difference is 9. So, 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. And 29 plus 9 is 38. So, next one. Ito. Common difference natin is 10 minus 4 is 6. So, 6. Paano kung ang kinukuha natin na term is going to the left? So, since going to the left, ang gagawin natin reverse. Since nag-add tayo pagpapunta sa right, dito naman sa kabila, we're going to subtract. The common difference here is 6, diba? So, 6. So, para makuha yung dito, ang gagawin natin is 4 minus 6. So, 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Kasi pag going to the left, reverse man siya. So, ano bang reverse ng addition? Subtraction. So, you have to subtract. Okay, 16 plus 6 is 22. Next one, ito magkasunod. So, 14 minus 17, negative 3. So, the common difference is negative 3. So, 17, 14. 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Tama. Okay, ito. So, ito yung kukunin natin. 19. So, 24 minus 19 is 5. So, 4 plus 5 is 9. Plus 5 is 14. Plus 5, 19. Excuse me. Plus 5, 24. Next one. Ito. 12 minus 8. That's 4. So, since going to the left tayo, we're going to subtract. So, 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Dito naman, 39 minus 31. So, 8. So, 31 minus 8 is 23. 23 minus 8 is 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. And 7 minus 8 is negative 1. And the last one, we have negative 17. Negative 17 minus negative 11. So, the answer is negative 6. So, negative 17. Check natin. Negative 17 minus negative 11. So, since magkasunod itong negative dito, maging positive yan. So, negative 17 proceed tayo sa addition is equal to negative 6. So, negative 6 yung i-add natin dito. So, 13 minus plus negative 6 is negative 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 6 is negative 5. Negative 5 minus 6 is negative 11 and negative 60. So, as simple as that. So, review natin ha. Arithmetic sequence has, ang tandaan nyo, ang arithmetic sequence, it has a common difference. Denoted as D. Meron siyang common difference. Paano ma-identify yung common difference? You identify two consecutive numbers. Two consecutive terms or numbers. Consecutive numbers. Tapos, unahin yung isulat muna yung second number. Tapos, subtract nyo doon yung first number. It is wrong to write first the first number. Tapos, subtract yung second kasi magkaiba. So, magkaiba talaga yung sagot. Unless na lang kung addition, subtraction kasi ang gagawin natin common difference. So, magkaiba talaga. Hindi siya commutative. Wala siyang commutative property. So, dapat mauna talaga si second. So, that's the end of our lecture for module 2. And I think meron dyan sa module ninyo, may mga activities dyan na kailangan yung sagutan. So, I hope na itong lecture natin nakatulong sa inyong mga ideas. I think meron kayong mga ideas konti din about arithmetic sequence kasi minsan ginagamit din natin ito sa mga ibang bagay. Halimbawa sa mga laro natin, nagagamit dito sa mga laro, sa mga nakakasalamuhan natin, may mga time na ginagamitan natin ng arithmetic sequence. So, I hope marami kayo natutunan for this video lecture. So, you may start now answering the activities in your learning activities sheets. And if you have clarification or questions, may mga mali ako nasabi or may mga hindi kayo naintindihan, you may reach me through my messenger or you may text me kasi meron naman din akong number sa inyo. You may text me. So, thank you everyone and have a nice day.